Hey, how you doing? All right, so let's get into it. We're going to talk about the topic, how to eat around the world and lose weight. Now, in my last video, I forgot to introduce myself. So let me introduce myself. I am Ronnie McKenzie, and I am an 8-year expat from the States. And I created this channel to inspire people like me who have a curiosity for the world and want to travel, and you're curious. You want to know what this world is really about. Like, what's the truth? You understand that we've been lied to about a lot. So you're curious, you want the truth, you want to learn about different cultures, you're interested in learning different languages, you just want to know how this world actually works. So if that is you, welcome to my little section of the internet. Subscribe to this channel and let's get started. All right, that's enough of an introduction. Okay, so I have notes here, so if you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my notes. So, how to eat around the world and lose weight. I want to talk about this because in the States, okay, this is in the US, I didn't eat a lot. And I didn't eat a lot because I knew something was up with the food. I mean, of course, it tastes fantastic, junk food, all the food that I was eating, it tastes great, but I knew it wasn't the healthiest. All right. So, what really changed my experience with food was when I traveled to China, when I lived in China and worked over there for about 3 years. What shocked me about China was all of the different vegetables that they had, okay? And not the whole country, China. I was in Wuxi, so that was where I was working and living. So in that section of China, that was where I discovered a love of vegetables. Okay, that's where I fell in love. I fell in love with food for the first time over in Wuxi, China. Okay, it's pronounced Wuxi, but yeah, that's where I fell in love and lost 30 pounds without even thinking about it. Now, how did I do that? It's very simple. A lot of their dishes, they had lots of different vegetables. Okay, I didn't know what the names were. I didn't know. All I knew that they taste great. Everything tastes fantastic. I would sit down and, pick a dish. I would just say, well, y'all jigger, whatever. That's all I knew at the time. Everything that I ordered, just about everything that I ordered, whether I knew what it was or not, it tastes fantastic. What I noticed is that they put a lot of vegetables in everything. Okay, so there's a lot of vegetables, more vegetables than meat. What I did, and when I think about it, what helped me lose weight without thinking about it, because let me tell you, I ate everything. I ate everything I could. Okay, I wasn't thinking about dieting or anything like that. I just ate what was available, which was fresh fruits and vegetables. I walked a lot and I drank a lot of water. Those three things, pretty much. That's what I did. I remember when I walked out of my apartment and out of the gate, there was this girl that was selling like fresh fruits right there, right downstairs. So I had access to non-GMO fresh fruits with seeds in them. Okay, so I'm talking about real fruits, nothing that's GMO'd. So that experience let me know that experience really kind of changed my perspective on food. Before that experience, I didn't cook at all. I really wasn't interested in cooking. But after that experience, I started cooking. I still cook to this day. Hold on one second. Okay, I'm back. So, what was I talking about? Yes. So I drank a lot of water, ate mostly fruits and vegetables, but I ate meat. I ate everything. I ate everything that I could and lost weight, and it was fantastic. Mary Jane, that's her name. Mary Jane Byram. She made a fantastic video that describes her experience, and she, lost weight in China as well. And I'll link her video in the description so you can check out that video, because she really explains and shows what she did to lose weight. And you really don't have to do much. I mean, if you eat fresh fruits and vegetables, you drink a lot of water, you walk a lot, guess what? The weight's gonna come off. You don't even have to think about it. Okay, so what's next? Yes, so I also want to talk about my recent experience in Vietnam. I was working and I was a bit stressed out in Australia. And I just noticed that I was gaining weight and I wasn't taking care of myself. And so I went to Vietnam. And once again, traveling around the world and losing weight, that's how it works. Vietnamese food, especially pho, that's everything. So what did I do over there? I drank a lot of water. I walked a lot. And I ate real fresh fruits with seeds in them, non-GMO, okay? And, I relaxed and I had a good time and I met some friends and that's all I did. And I lost about 10 to 12 pounds without thinking. So, how can you do this? Let's say, you're not traveling right now. And from where you are, how can you eat around the world and lose weight? Okay, let's look here. What did I say? Okay, so I have some notes here. I would say go to different restaurants. That's the first thing. Okay, first thing, go to different types of Asian restaurants. Now if you're in the US, I'm not talking about those Chinese stores, those Chinese restaurants in the hood, or the Chinese restaurants that sell orange chicken. Okay, they're selling Americanized crap and they don't eat that. That's not what I'm talking about. So find an authentic Chinese restaurant to go to. You walk in and you won't know you won't recognize all of the food items there. You know, do a little research and find an authentic, real Chinese restaurant and check it out. You know, try something. Chinese restaurant. You can go to a Thai restaurant, definitely a Vietnamese restaurant. And if you can get yourself some pho, get it. Just try things out, you know, get curious about different food to where you are. And try to look for authentic restaurants that don't try to Americanize everything. Okay, go to restaurants where they cook authentic food the way they cook it in their country. So that's number one. Number two, drink lots of water where you are. Drink a lot of water. Whenever you feel hungry, drink water, because you might be dehydrated and not know it. Okay? And increase and try to walk more. That's it. Where you are, just incorporate more walking in your daily life. Because this is what I'm doing. You know, it's like I want to, even when I'm not in Asia, I want to live like I'm there. So I want to eat real fruits. I demand to eat real fruits with seeds. You know, this GMO situation, I don't know. Tell me how you feel in the comments. Are you done with it, or do you prefer GMO food? I'm done. Give me what's authentic. Give me what my body needs and stop playing. Okay, so what else? Yeah, that's about it. You know, this isn't a long video, but there's something about, I don't know, the foods from Asia. I love it. Okay, gotta love it. Tell me in the comments, have you experienced something similar? The similar type of effect. Now, I must say, you know, I've been to, you know, other countries in Europe, and I kind of had the same effect. You know what I mean? Like, I would leave the States and I would eat whatever I wanted over there, like France, Italy, what have you. And I would lose weight because they were making real food. Okay? So, all right, so what's the next step? Okay. How can you eat around the world and lose weight from where you are? Incorporate ginger and hot peppers in your diet. Okay? So eat more ginger and put some hot peppers in whatever you eat, like your soups or whatnot. And see how you like it. Maybe add a little soy sauce. All right. So eat lots of vegetables and fruits. Of course, non-GMO is what I'm talking about. Another point, relax and live in the present moment. That's difficult in the States, but try to create some time and space where you can just have your phone off and just be, you know, maybe eat in the park if you can. Sit down and kind of just absorb what's going on around you. What else? Next. What's the next thing? All right. Spend time with friends, you know, and laugh a lot. That helps, you know. Spend time with your friends. Spend time with the people that matter in your life. Spend time with the people that have shown that they really love and care about you. And keep yourself away from people who don't bring in good energy. You know, people that are not for you, people that you know don't like you. Stay away from those people and don't feed into their nonsense at all. Okay. And again, I'm going to say drink a lot of water because that is so important. Okay, drink a lot of water. You know, I walk around and a lot of times I have my book bag on me. Why? Because, I have big bottles of water that I keep around so that I can stay hydrated throughout the day. It's very important. So that is it. I can't wait for my next journey because I know I talked about Asian food and how that really changed the way I look at food. It made me want to cook food. It made me love food. But my next experience in the next country, continent, I'll be visiting. I look forward to falling in love with that type of food as well. Anyway, all right, so stay fabulous, stay traveling, and subscribe to this channel. I'm kind of new to this YouTube situation, and I'm learning as I go. So let's learn as we go and have fun while we do it. All right, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.